Guys, welcome back to Crazy Tech Trick. In this video I will show you how to reset Windows 11 without losing data. If your PC is slow, laggy or having issues, this method will refresh your system. So let's get started. Go to search bar, then type settings, go to settings. Now in the left panel you have to go to system, then look for recovery option. As you can see here, click on recovery. A new window will pop up. Now in the recovery option you will see this option, reset this PC. Tap on reset this PC. Now you will get two options here. Keep my files. This keeps your personal files but remove apps and settings. And second is remove everything. This will erase all data and resets Windows completely. So tap on keep my files. Now you will be asked how to want to reinstall cloud download or local install, and it will start resetting your PC. And that's it, your Windows 11 PC is now fresh and optimized without losing your personal files. Let me know in the comment if this helped you, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.